Hey, lovely and amazing Siamites. My name is Cynthia. Hope you're amazing. Baby girl from Uganda. Yes, a student at Chambogo University. And today, as you can already see from the title, time. So I've come and I'm making this video for my amazing students, same as me. Yes, why should we keep time? Why should we always keep time? Time is an important factor. We have 24 hours in a day. And that is too much time, right? But sometimes if we do not use it right, and then we find that we are going to waste it, and we find that we did not do anything productive throughout the day, yet we had 24 hours. And most times, yes, we have schoolwork, most times we have time to relaxing time, homework time, meet up times with your friends, and sometimes we find out that we do not know how to balance our time properly. So in this video and in the next video, we're going to discuss about time management, right? So in this video, we are going to look at reason as to why students, yes, reason as to why I love to manage my time, reason as to why I am learning time management, because it's a process. You cannot learn it in a day. So after school, you're going to start working, right? But still, you still need to manage your time. Even in life, you need to know what time to wake up, which time to do this, and why do we have to do that, and what are some of the benefits, reason as to why we have to keep time, why time management is so key, most especially to us who are students, right? So without wasting further much time, let's get straight to the point. And if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please be sure to subscribe, because on my YouTube channel we learn, we have fun, and make new friends. Okay, so we learn by teaching each other. If you have some amazing tips, please let's talk down in the comment section, or else you can still follow me on Instagram, Cynthia Hope, and we share ideas. All right, send me a DM and we shall surely share ideas and become friends, because I love making friends, and I hope that you watching me from whatever country you're watching me from can be my friend. So let's get straight to the points. Point number one. So time management, or keeping time, enables you to realize your goals faster. Yes, it helps you to realize your goals faster, in that once I keep my time, I know what time I'm supposed to do something. I'll give myself a specific time, specific duration of time to complete a specific task, and that one will help me to accomplish all that I had set on my to-do list to finish, so that I can get to other things, and I can also get some time to do my own personal things, or things which make me happy. All right, so yeah, that is point number one. So point number two, so it also enables you to prioritize your time. Yes, it helps you to prioritize your work, in that when I am creating a timetable, I'll obviously set the tasks that I'm supposed to do. I may set them first on the timetable, such that when I finish them, I can finish them. Then after that, I can do other things. So prioritizing is so key. And when you manage your time right, you can be able to prioritize when even you're setting or creating your personal timetable, leave alone the school timetable. It will help you. I'm supposed to finish this assignment. Maybe I have 2 weeks to finish the assignment. So, or maybe I have a month to my exams. So I'm going to prioritize on my timetable, or on my to-do list that I have to do. I have to set my goals straight. I have to arrange or fix more time. Maybe I am weak in a particular area. It helps me to set more time for a particular subject, such that I cannot waste too much time on something I already know, and I use the time that I would have spent doing the other thing I already know on something that I do not know, or practicing more of what I do not know, such that I can expand my knowledge and also pass my exams, and I am good to go. Then point number three is, I've also realized that time management, or ensuring that I'm managing my time, has helped me to get my things done in a less time. So when I timetable, or when I give time for what I'm supposed to do, I find out that I have done what I'm supposed to do at the given time, because I know it is on my schedule. But then if I do not always time myself when I'm doing work, I find that I have not finished the task and time has gone. I found myself doing a lot of things instead of setting myself to finish one task, then do another, such that I can have much more time to spare and take out time to maybe do some other thing apart from school work. Yes, so my next point is it reduces, yes, managing my time has helped me to reduce my stress levels. Guys, if you timetable, you remember that we are making our timetable, right? We are fixing our activities in a program, in a time, in a given time. So it's going to reduce stress because you know I have this, after this activity I'm going to go to the next, after this activity, completion of this activity, I'm going to still go to another activity, right? So it's going to reduce on your stress levels. Let me give you a story. One time I had about 5 tasks to complete that day, and I found myself, I did not timetable it, I did not give one priority, I did not say that I'm going to finish this and this. I tried to do them all at once. Guys, I got so stressed that I found myself not finishing the work by the deadline that was given. So the time I am spending to learn time management, or time management that I'm learning, has helped me to reduce on my stress levels. I find that I have timetabled myself to do this specific task, I finish it, and then I go to the next. Thus helping me not to worry because I know I'm going to get things done at a given time because I already scheduled it, right? So I also hope that that will help you. And leave it down in the comment section. What has time management done, or how is it important, right? Yes, how is it important? Leave it down in that comment section. Next point is time management has also helped me to become more effective. Yes, it has helped me to become more effective in that, yes, in that I am going to concentrate more. Like once we are students, or when we are students at school and we manage our time, trust me, you're going to get a lot of things done in a limited time or in a given time because you already know what you're supposed to do. So it's going to help you to complete your schoolwork on time, get time to read, get time to revise or discuss with your friends, get time to have also social life. Yes, socialize with your friends out there. And you're going to find that once you learn how to manage your time, all the things are going to become simple. You become more effective in that you can do many things at a given time. You can complete your tasks at a given time, so long as you timetable them and you know how to manage your time well. That is going to be a walkover for you. So give it a try and let me know, or share with me your ideas. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Leave down in the comment section, what do you use, which trick do you use, or how have you found time management if you've been practicing it. And if you've not been practicing it, watch out for my next video to see how tips and strategies on how we can manage our time. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something. So if you would like to see some other video, maybe how we shall see in the next video some tips and strategies. And then also, if you want me to break down those tips and strategies, I will still break them down. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'm your baby girl Cynthia. I hope see you in my next video. Much love from me in Uganda to you outside, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it out to your friends and family. Ciao ciao, bye bye.